Wow, this is crazy. It looks like zero of you actually suggested me to do more fat birds. So here you guys go. Here's some of the fat birds. I figured out how to use the see all button. It turns out that it was actually above the birds, not below them. So nobody, it's none of your business. I'm not sure why I was speaking with the lisp there. That was stupid. So here we have a sheet of custom Minecraft paintings. Very nice. I like the one with the fruits. Although I don't know what the green one is supposed to be. Is that like a lime? Ooh, that's a nice one with the pickaxes. So this is pretty old, but yeah. Next we have the bird from real life, and then we have a pandas. I think I actually took this picture possibly, so that's weird. We have more pandas, and we have a fat bird, and another bird, not necessarily a fat one. And we have another picture of the bird, and then we have another pandas, and then we have, hey babe, oh no, this is from that one time, isn't it? Okay, we have Sans. This is someone's profile picture from YouTube that I stole. And then here we have another meme-worthy picture of Bomb. And we have the same picture of Bomb, but at a higher resolution. And we have more pictures of Bomb. We have an angry Google G. It's an old Google G, but it's angry, and it has the Newgrounds art style. I'm sorry for saying the Newgrounds art style, because that's not a thing, but it just looks like Newgrounds to me, but that's just because I'm not a Newgrounds kid. Anyway, Angry Birds. Not as fun in real life. Memecenter.com. Look at all of these dank memes. We have Nyan Cat, Pedo Bear, Fishy Boopkins. This is Fishy Boopkins, guys. Your virtual assistant. I'm not sure how this is actually a fat bird. And then here we have a fat bird, an actual fat bird. America. I only have the launch screen of the official Kahoot application. I just thought it was very cool, so I took a screenshot of it once. Next you have Big Bird photographs his enslaved brethren, mocking them for their genetic inferiority. And we have this. After a deeply profound conversation, Tyrone realized that just because he had white palms didn't mean he could stop picking the cotton. Now, act a little racist, but that's kind of the joke. The joke is that you make a messed up joke with Sesame Street characters. Your bird at 5 a.m. getting ready for their morning scream. Scraw. The Minecraft movie is coming in 2019. And then we have the boobies again. Sorry, kid, but I'm gonna have to shut your meme down. This one was because of Article 69. Birdie. Uh, this has legitimately happened to me before, and I hate when this happens because it really sucks because I'm like, teacher, I'm bored. And then like nobody says anything about the on the back. And the teacher's like, I told you that there was a thing on the back. And then like, yeah, probably, but like I'm stupid, okay? Oh yeah, because girls don't have balls. That's the joke. Most girls don't have balls. Okay. It's a joke. Okay. That was the old Mimi. And we have this thingy. I do not know what this is, but I think this is a picture I took of a cat. Puzzle. Okay. And we have this boy, Karl Marx here. And we've got dark mode boobies. And we've got a thick hen here, meme. Ha ha ha. Ha. Ha 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 ha. Oh no, okay. And here we have a ducky. But it's a thick duck. Look, it fills the whole screen with his thickness. Or her thickness, I don't know. I don't know how to tell if a duck is a duck, but yeah. Boobies. And then I did commit upscale on it. And here we have the original bush tit picture. Here's a scary version. And then we have this one. And then, hey, there's this. Do you guys remember this? No? That's because no one watches my videos because they are all trash. It's an interesting looking bug though. I like how it walky. And then that's all of them. I hope you all have enjoyed watching me be annoying. Goodbye.